Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Wealth Room, Wealthy Friends. Let's dive in today. We are going to discuss about portfolio building and some good projects that actually can, during this bull run, do really well. And we are going to, we've been talking about meme coins. Now, this time, we are going to talk about a little bit more building a portfolio and like a really good projects that we can have during the bull run. So let's make a little bit of a twitch this time for our show for the stream. Let's get started. Uh, we are going to start with um, Tia Celeste. What does Celeste do? Let's start with first what is Celeste and what kind of project it is, why we are so bullish on this. Can you tell us about this, Israel?
Yes, Celestia is a modular blockchain on Cosmos ecosystem, and a lot of things are built on TIA. Like you can make your own blockchain on TIA and like build smart contract.
Perfect. And do you know the how long has this been in the crypto system? Like has been here with us? Has it been only for this bull cycle it started?
Yes, this bull cycle. It was been like released in November since November 2023.
Perfect. And the good thing about this is it's new. It's not one of our dinosaur coins. And it's the first modular blockchain network. It says uh, it's the data availability network that makes it easy for anyone to securely launch their own blockchain. You can build whatever. So let's check the chart. How does the technical analysis side look? This is for our short term, 4 hour. It's a little bit noisy, as you know. Like if you go to lower time frames, we hear lots of noise. These all the wicks are noise. I'll show you a little bit a higher time frame later. But let's check if it's in the buy zone. Seems like we are doing a nice falling wedge. We just tagged 50 EMA on 4 hour and we clear the horizontal line. Now it's a support. We did a RS flip, which is resistance flipped and became support. Let's check our market cipher B. Money flow get in red right now, but it's coiling up to the green area again. Also, our momentum here, momentum is also uh, coiling up. It's going to give us a green buy signal soon. VWAP, this is the yellow one. I'm going to explain VWAP next session on mostly for the educational, our streams are again not a financial advice. It's all about education. We are going to be also give some educational uh, information about what these yellow lines are, VWAP. So let's again double check. We are nicely coiling up for a green buy signal at the 4 hour. And if we can claim back about these EMAs, as you see, there's more liquidity upside on Celestia. Um, let's check high time frames. First, start with the weekly. Again, right before I think last bull cycle, it started. like and it gave us a couple months of pump, and then of course this was our bear cycle, and we did a accumulation, and we had a nice accumulation period here. So what is an accumulation? The whales started accumulating more, and also some of the seasoned retail investors. We had a buy signal. This is very bullish on the weekly. Just a couple weeks ago with this big green, like a Maribozu candle, bullish candle. See, it engulfs so many weekly candles. So bullish momentum is behind us. The only thing is, on the daily, we can just keep a little bit of sideways here, create a handle of this cup in this region maybe, or we can go up and retest and keep going. But since it's the parabolic moment is approaching for the, I think rest of the, again, I'm waiting for most like expecting a Santa rally. We are going to be seeing some of a nice more bullish momentum. We are really bullish. And do you know, Israel, about market cap of Celestia? I think it's quite low. It's
It's around 3 billion.
yes. So $3 billion is for this type of project. It's really low right now.
Yeah, it's
So
3.7 and fully diluted valuation is around 9 billion.
perfect. So it can easily do 10 billion, correct?
Yes, yeah. It's a good
Perfect.
project on
Good
Cosmos.
project.
Yeah.
Let me double check on the open interest if there's too much of a build up on the long side. Yeah, they actually liquidated some of the longs with this red candle. We can go sideways. So the open interest is not that much up. So yeah, this is a good one. We are going to let's make a horizontal line here that the pricing. So we'll see in couple months where we actually talked about this project, and in maybe the end of first quarter, Israel, what do you think? We should come back and check, right?
I think it will be up
Yes.
in
I
second.
mean, first quarter, end of first quarter is going to be March.
Yes.
So let's make a line, and then we'll come back and see where we actually analyzed it for our portfolios. Let's make it different colors. Let's make it green. So because we are bullish, let's make it a dotted line. Perfect. Get back to our 4 hours time frame. Yes. So we are leaving the falling wedge for this one is for a daily, you know, buy and sell. That's a good opportunity right now. Next one, let's go for another bullish project, Aptos. What is Aptos, Israel?
It's a layer one, and it's actually was similar to Sui. They were like I think one company and then they split, and it is also one of the most layer ones right now. Its scalability is amazing, and I think it's going to catch up on Sui soon.
So this is a layer one project.
Yep.
Also, you say scalability is top notch.
Yes.
We have a gaming. C is the scalability, social, NFTs, DeFi, entertainment. So everything you can build your ideas here, they say. And in action, they have some projects with Microsoft. It seems like MasterCard, Coinbase, oh, Universal, Google Cloud. They have some AI. And these are some of their, it seems like conferences. Perfect. And let's check how does the chart, what does the chart say? We,
The chart looks nice actually.
yes, the most important thing for us is the charts.
Yes, people who missed, sorry, on Sui, I think Aptos is a great opportunity.
Which one? Sui? Right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If they missed Sui, you say.
Yes,
Yeah. We'll get back to Sui as well.
Sui is just unstoppable right now.
Yes, right. Sui is one of
Solana
my
killer.
favorites. And even if you miss Sui, we have a bonus place underneath Sui ecosystem. We'll talk
Yes.
about those. Let's see. On the 4 hour, magically, or EMAs, the price response to our EMAs, look, goes up, comes retests, 50 EMA, goes back up on the Bollinger Band, and then comes back down. Again, another test on lower Bollinger Band. And there's a seesaw here. Kept doing that, and at last, we left this, what we call it, price range. It's the clusters. Love this type of clusters, look. And then it it didn't leave here. It left right there, I would say. Yeah. So came down, come up, respected this line, came back, deviated, back up, and then left. Now still, look how it respects the EMAs. We have an outside bar engulfing, comes back, retests again. They like to do that because there's so much liquidity. Generally, what the people do, it's basic. Traders sometimes they see this candle and they get excited. We still do, right? This rule when we see this green, oh, it's gonna pump, it's gonna leave. Just calm down. Don't just enter right away, right? This rule. That's the
It's
even like most
a
seasoned,
trap.
yeah, most seasoned traders to make the same mistake. Just wait. If you see a big move, it will retrace. Always retraces. Let's see. Nice. Outside bar. What happens? Oh, it's gonna move. No. The whole thing round tripped. It retraced the whole thing, but came back up, left a wick. Look at this nice. And then they left.
So they caught the longs and as well as shorts and then went
Oh,
opposite.
yes, yes, yes. And then they resumed. And look, they started riding our Bollinger Band. Shout out to John Bollinger. He's one of our heroes. He's you can actually uh, follow him on Twitter. He is the founder of this Bollinger Band. Best traders, they use Bollinger Bands because these things can get squeezed. I'm gonna show later on. Then there will be a big move coming in. Most of the times, upper Bollinger Bands, as you see, are the resistance zones. If it doesn't ride like this, it becomes a resistance and it gets rejected. Once you lose the mid Bollinger Band is always this 20 MA, the red one. Once you lose it, it always comes and tests the lower Bollinger Band. So sometimes it's that easy. You have to just stick to your own rules with your discipline, I would say. Yep, that's that. So after that move, look how we get doing the same moves. Again, we tested this 50 MA. Most likely, here we're gonna have another move coming in. Look at this liquidity here. There are so many shorts at this area. I think they are going to get these liquidity. So this is right now. It seems like a nice opportunity for entrance. On the long, let's cut the noise. 4 hour is a noisy time frame. Let's go again for a weekly one. Let's see what we are going to see. See, this one is a fairly again a new project. It's and the price, even though the has been respecting this in the same range. So after this here, we are going to have a nice price discovery. So most likely we're going to claim this, retest, and then for the price discovery. As you see, we are doing a nice big W. And my target, let's get, if you want to be a conservative, you can take this range here. This is going to be most likely our target. Let's put it here. When we break this, let's see if it's going to coincide with anything. Make it red and give me an alarm so we can take profits. Let's do, what are we going to pull, Isru? Fibonacci.
Yes, Fibonacci.
Yeah, 2618 in this pocket here is good. Right now we are right on golden ratio, golden pocket, 0618. So if you are doing this accumulation and if you would have pulled it from here to there, right now that was your target. So actually we got the first target from the bear market here. But for the bull, now it's time for the extension with 1618, 2618. And then you can scale out of your positions during the bull market. Once we get on a price discovery, don't get greedy. We will start taking profits. And let's mark this one as well for our entry point, let's say, in this region. You can dollar cost average because we may have a slight pullback during the week start of this week. Generally, Monday, Tuesdays are slow. We can get a little bit of a pullback. So yeah, do your own research. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is for, as you see, statistical and technical analysis education. So let's go for the next one. We are going to see an AI coin, Fetch AI. Can you tell us a little bit about Fetch AI, Isro?
Yeah, Fetch AI. So it is a merge between three AI companies, I think. Like Fetch AI, then AGIX, which is Singularity Net, and Ocean Protocol. So they merged into one protocol.
Yeah, they were three big protocols, right? They were
Yes.
very bullish on AI as an AI narrative. With the NVIDIA, they were on the spotlight as well, correct?
Yeah. So
Perfect.
their tokens merged into one.
Yep, yep. And that's another good thing. They merged and they are all in one token right now. It's again, they also work with NVIDIA, OpenAI. Let's see. Look at this. This is big. This is huge. We are so in the beginning of this bull market, wealthy friends. NVIDIA, look, Gemini, Meta, OpenAI. You see, and Bosch, and
Yeah,
all
I
these
think this is
other ones.
one of the
Yeah,
biggest AI projects.
yeah, and Singularity was, I think, with there's this robot. I forgot about the name. Sonia, was it? What was the name of that lady robot? She was all over the world answering questions. They were also behind that AI robot. So again, Ocean Protocol, Fetch AI, and AGIX. So let's check what does the TA say. Most important thing for us. Let's see the low time frames first. Is it a good buy right now, or shall we wait for a pullback? This thing
Yeah.
actually just cleared value area high, as we see. Its falling wedge is about to break again. If you do a trend line from here to here, again, view up and momentum is going to give us a buy signal. Money flow, this green one is still in the green, and we are respecting our EMAs. EMAs are in line as a bullish momentum. The only concern is here, this green one is crossing now over 20 EMA. If this starts coming down a little bit, but this can lose and then maybe go a little bit lower and then come back up. But as you see, the 8 EMA is generally, because it's a faster EMA, as you see here, this can come down and then roll back up like this. Maybe doing this, it can deviate back up. So this may be a dollar cost average zone. For instance, you want to buy $100 of this as a to scale. $25 here would be good. If it tags lower Bollinger here, we can do another 25. Loses it, goes to these levels, another 25, and there's this liquidity. Comes this, I think that won't. That's a little bit deep, but anything can happen. You can buy your final amount and then ride it through the bull run. Spot bags are important rather than leverage bags because they cannot liquidate you. They cannot take your money. You can just hold it for till the market gives you a good, profit. Let's go for the higher time frames. Let's go a little bit higher, weekly. As you see, actually, we are doing great. We from the last bull, if we take the last bull market from here, actually this is not last bull. This is we are weekly 2024 February. Yeah, we did this nice pump after the bear market, and then on March most of the coins retraced. We did a nice head and shoulder left POC, came back down. Look at this in the parallel channel, left the parallel channel and POC and this horizontal line. Now we are on the value area high. This is most likely is going to give us a good price discovery zone. After, I would take the bodily one. Like, right, see the bodies and these wicks. I'm going to disregard this wick here. So it's going to be a fast move, I think, here, and then we'll go for a price discovery. This is a very bullish project we have. Again, like with NVIDIA in NASDAQ, this is also a media of crypto market. So this is going to be very, very bullish in the couple weeks. Perfect. Let's go for another protocol, layer one, actually, AI layer one, we call it. And this is a fairly new, just came in last bull market. What is near Israel? Let's see.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Near, it's actually a combination of AI and layer one, uh, which provides like it's also a fast, secure, and scalable actually cryptocurrency. And since it's a combination of both, so it provides like human readable account names. It's a very developer friendly, low fees, and interoperability. Like it provides various bridging options. So I think it's a nice project. I like it.
Yeah, and it's the only a layer one we can call like as an AI, right? The blockchain for AI.
Yes,
I don't.
also it provides DeFi,
Yeah, yeah. So it
lending, borrowing.
says
Yeah,
near AI.
yes.
Like you can have an Alibaba uses them, even Arbitrum. Oh, okay. This is ETH layer 2. We are going to talk about this soon. Google, yep. Polygon. They
Yeah,
also use this.
it's
So because of
competing.
the interoperability, most
Yes,
likely.
it's
Yep.
competing in layer ones also with so like Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. So like if you want exposure to both AI and layer one, I think Near is the best token to hold, two in one.
Perfect. Yep. Again, we are so bullish on near. Let's check charts on the weekly. See, on the weekly even during the we caught this on during the bear market. Look how we had a nice falling wedge here, and after this weekly hammer candle, it left, and look how bullish it became. It took this liquidity, came back to this green zone, another bull flag. See the bull flag target was right on target. Look at this wave. You can call this. We are going to also talk about Elliott waves. Again, we will bring some guests in the near future. Once we get the viewers, we'll tell you how we count those waves of these moves, Elliott waves. So we'll have so many good content coming for you guys. Just keep subscribing, liking, and also supporting us. We'll bring so many good content for you. So let's keep going. We cleared 50 MA and started riding our famous Bollinger Band. Comes back down, goes back up, keeps riding again, keeps riding 80 MA. And in this zone, we have, as you see here from here, very let's see here. Yes, we do have a resistance here, and we get a nasty pullback after that. This was because of the wave count. This was inevitable. So we came down to that 50 EMA. What we call it also a mean reversion. Generally, we go back and test 50 EMAs on most of the time frames. Look how it just like keep testing it, deviates back up, seesaws around it. And then outside bar, now we are exiting. Also, if we can, as you see, we have so many rejections on this zone, weekly time frame. Look, it was May. Since May, we haven't been here. If we can clear this, next target is broad fib level. It was already counted here. So that's going to be $13. So it's a really nice, even here, a good target. And if you see here, one of my favorite, now this is a nice symmetrical cup and handle. That will also give us a good target. Let's make it a little bit conservative. So near target, almost $45. That's the first target. Even it can go higher. If you do a fib, I will go for fib extension number 1, at least from the last top till the bear market bottom. Let's see our 1618 level. Yep, and 2618 level is generally what we go for, but this will be a little bit more conservative, and we can take profits, most likely start taking profits after this area. Yep, we are very bullish. We are clearing a zone here. Hopefully we are going to get going. Let's mark our level.
Yeah, we can maybe talk about another good AI coin, Tau.
Which one is it?
Tau.
Tau.
Yeah, I think it is one of. I think it's one of the leaders in AI.
Hmm. Oh, Tau already going for new price discovery, my friend.
Yes, I think all time high.
Close to all time high. Almost there. Almost there.
Yes, I couldn't get into this because it
All
never
time high
just
was
kept
here.
pumping. Yeah.
But all the body counts, bodily, let's see, bodily closes are around this region. So we are on the resistance. This one is doing, so all the AIs are doing, they are on a tea time, I guess, doing a cup and a coffee time.
Yes, Christmas is
So
here.
yeah, this is going to be our target.
1,000 plus. Yeah, 1,700 is the
Yeah,
next
but
target.
the thing is, people doesn't like it because it's expensive, and people don't like to have like one coin or like 5 coins, They will, if they want to buy 3,000, 3K or 5K of an investment, they'll
But
do. They'll only
the
have like
price.
six
Yeah,
coins.
the price doesn't make any difference.
Yes,
Because this
yes,
can go to
but
$5,000 from
oh
here.
yes, yes, but
So
psychologically, generally, that's why this is a good coin. But psychologically, they will go for mostly, I think, like near project.
yeah,
Of
because they will think it's under $10 and this is $700.
yes, 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 and just like Bitcoin too. When I ask people about, for instance, right now Bitcoin, but I cannot buy Bitcoin. They say like last bull cycle, I was telling them it was around 60K or so. Do you have even any Bitcoin? It's like they were saying, no, I'll buy Dogecoin. Bitcoin is expensive. So like, so these things actually, the people I'm telling you is not, they are not regular people. They are like managers of, some companies, some banks. They all they say, oh, it's expensive. But that's also another psychological level too, on pricing. These may need to go. Maybe they do like a divide the shares
Yeah,
of.
I think that's the first question people ask, like, what is the price of the token? I think that is a wrong question to ask. It's not the price,
Yes,
it's
that
about,
is the wrong
because they
question.
think,
Yes,
oh, Doge is 0.008 and Ethereum is $2,800. Why would I
yes,
buy that? But
yeah.
if you see last 6 months, Bitcoin did outperformed Ethereum.
What is the right question? The right question is, what is the market cap? What is the, where is it situated at? Where
Yes,
is,
what's the supply? Is it
yes,
like limited, or it's like a lot is still yet to become into the market?
exactly. What is the tokenomics like?
Yes.
Tokenomics means like how many coins in the circulation, what is the supply, are there any VC coins, like are there anybody holding most of the coins like XRP owner has most of the coins now, and it's kind of dangerous, you know. Uh, those kind of questions are the most important questions. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next project is Arbitrum. This is what is this, Israel?
Uh, Arbitrum is also a layer two or layer one. Let me confirm, because
Let,
this coin had so much hatred. Like everyone used to say this is stupid coin, you know.
yeah. This is an layer 2 coin of Ethereum, and it has a nice, also like fast and low fees. Uh, it has, I think, also DeFi and all the other good features.
Yes,
Uh,
I think the whole point of layer two was to reduce the fees, scalability, and also the fees, like, you know, Ethereum's gas fees were so high.
yeah,
So that was the whole purpose of making the L2s.
yeah,
I think L2s will start performing because they haven't performed so well for the last whole 2 3 quarters. And if once Ethereum starts, I think money will start rotating into L2s.
yeah. See, on the weekly, we had a nice green, and now the momentum is coming up. The money flow is in the green. I'm going to show you some type of yin yang move. This is a good move, guys. Look, on the money flow, look, when it came into, it started actually because of this history, we don't have enough money flow here showing us. But when it started, look, in this region, when it started, it's just like the money flow red coming in. So if you take a like a measured move like this, the money flow coming into the green, most likely we will be getting back into the red zone during May. Sell May and go away, they say, right? Maybe it's going to come to red and back to green again till October. Uh, if you think about the history of the last cycles, they are saying October, but we'll make sure to be leaving early. It's okay. It's better to be early than being late and sorry. So we are going to leave sell May, go away, maybe a little bit early, start scaling out. But May is, it seems like going to be the date we should be taking most of the profits out. Arbitrum, for Arbitrum. Again, it when it launched, after the launch, it came all the way to $2.25. POC level is, as you see, the most volume was in this environment, and we just tagged it. We are going above 50 EMA and point of control. Most likely, we're going to go to all-time highs very soon, and it's going to be 100% from here. This is a really good location. You can start DCAing. In case of a pullback, you can put a little bit more into it, but this is a good time, I think, for Arbitrum. Let's double check on the lower time frames. On the daily, we just had a red, but as you see, we kept going on the daily in this region. Even we got a red, and then it got faked out, got another green, and then kept riding, got a red here, gets red signal. No, it just got rejected again because the money flow is in the green. Look how aggressive it's going up. It's still coiling up. So this may be also one of those fake reds. We may get a buy signal again in this region. We'll see tomorrow. But because the reason I'm saying it is we are still on the POC. Look, it keeps tagging that POC now. I think we can do a bull flag in this region and go to $2 or so. I think it's gonna go sideways a little bit more maybe, or even tomorrow take this liquidity out. Arbitrum is very bullish. We are bullish for this layer 2. If you wanna have an exposure to layer 2, this is a good project. Let's double check on Portal. Oh, I was going to ask, I don't have too much of an information on Portal. Isrul, what do you think and what is Portal? Oh, chart looks really good. Can you please give us some information about Portal?
Yes, it's a platform built to enable decentralized cross-chain transactions, like for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And also, it has some the like how to explain? It leverages Bitcoin basically as the base layer, and also supports other blockchain ecosystems.
Perfect.
It's a basically a
Only
DeFi, it's a
94 million.
DeFi on Bitcoin.
Nice. It's very early. It seems like 662 number cryptocurrency. So it's early and fully diluted value is okay. Circulating supply is all right. It seems like
So why I'm bullish on Portal is because I think Bitcoin is also
is it
having
yeah,
some
universal liquidity
yes,
layer. Yeah,
yes,
liquidities are important.
because Bitcoin also, like earlier Bitcoin was just like no use case. Now I think they are scaling Bitcoin also. Like you must have heard about runes on Bitcoin.
Oh, okay.
So
So as
now,
you see, for all these chains, they provide
approximately, yeah,
liquidity.
if you remember Rune,
Yeah.
so
Hmm.
we are very early on this. Like Rune, I think it's also a
Yeah,
good project.
it's a good project, but it's older one, right?
Yeah, this is something newer, and I think it's sub 100 million. So it has
Nice.
a good scope, I think, of improving.
Yes, perfect, perfect, Isro. Let's double check and let's also point out then, uh, or like an I would say entry point here. We'll see. What's the date? We'll see on the date. What's the date today? Yeah,
We should see it by maybe first quarter of next
yeah,
year.
end of first quarter. Yes, because this is a spot back. We are not gonna scare and fear and sell and run because we
Yes.
may get a little bit of corrections. Those are going to be good buy zones. See, this one has been a little bit of a parabolic move on the daily, but we just got a reject the red dot on the top. So this may come a little bit lower, it seems like. We can tag ATMA. So be careful on this one because it's also a lower cap. It can be a little bit more volatile, low caps, just like meme coins are the most volatile. These can be a little bit more volatile. Wait for some pullbacks. I will still mark this one this day as because we talked about this here. Mark this price, and then let's see what's going to happen. We may tell you to maybe we should this DCA in this region, in this region, in this region. So let's see on the daily, but weekly we just pushed into the positive momentum side. Again, we have a nice cup. This is going to be our horizontal line. We should come and get a maybe rejection here a little bit. So we still have time to go there, come back and do every other coin did, like a handle in this region, and then go for a price discovery. But see, once the project, look Israel, how this is so accurate. Once the project launched on an exchange, look this pump, and everybody FOMOs in, market makers sweeps that liquidity. Where do they come? Almost deviates the half of the candle. See? And we like curvature. Israel likes
This
curvature.
can also make a cup and handle later at some point.
Yes. So this one looks perfect. Yep. Again, as you said, maybe we'll do the cup and handle from here. Come back, retest, and then go. But this is still away from our all-time high. So that's why this is a good buy even here. You can DCA back down, but if it comes back, rejects, you can add more, and then you can take it from there.
Yes, I think last few days it has been consolidating at this price range, and like it doesn't want to go down too much. So it's holding well, I think.
Perfect. And our main star, Sui, Solana killer. Yeah, we love Sui.
Yeah, the darling of this is bull run. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And I think, look, we just on the weekly, we flashed green again. Israel, this is bullish. Look,
I don't
last
know.
time
I think everyone is expecting for this to come down to buy, but
that's why everybody's expecting and to buy it. Oh, when it comes, I'll buy. But it's not giving any chance. The most chance you can get is this. That's it.
one small pullback you're getting, and then
Yeah,
it gets
yeah, yeah,
bought
yeah,
over.
yeah, yeah. Any pullback, this is good for this bull run. This thing is going to be again like the Solana of last bull. I'll keep saying it. Look, nice green candle, boom, and then a bull flag. Again, I think we are leaving the station on the weekly base. Let's check daily. Daily, it's gonna give us a bearish divergence, but daily divergences on a bull market, you have to be careful. This can be a fake out as well. It can come back to ATMA or here and play out and keep going up. So, but this is looks like on even on the daily like a bull flag, uh, because we did an accumulation in here. Like how many days? Look of accumulation, and then left, and it can still keep on going. We are on the Are we on? Yep, we are on the price discovery now, and the price discovery uh, is can be really really aggressive on the upside. So this is always good for even if it comes these levels, try to get in. And on SUI, another good news is we'll talk about some other coins underneath SUI. Let's talk about them. For instance, one of them is NS, right? This one, what is this, Israel?
It's something like I think we had on Ethereum, like Ether. Was it where you can have your own identity, like you can put your name and look for uh, have your own identity, like we have on Ethereum.
Yes, yes, exactly like this. Be yourself on chain. Yeah, so you can check a name. For instance, uh, let's check if anybody has the name Israel. Let's check. Oh, it's available for 20 Sui. Israel, you can have your name and get a trademark. So it's early. So there are so many millions of Mehmet in the world. Let's check. Even Mehmet Oz, you know, the heart surgeon
So
in
if
the
I send
United
you,
States.
if you get
Let's see.
Sui from me, you will know that
Let's
I
see if
sent
Mehmet has anybody. Ah, it's unavailable. Taken.
it.
Somebody took it. Couple days ago, I looked at it. It wasn't there. Let's see. For instance, Jack.
It will be gone. I think Jack is very common name.
Jack is gone. Let's
Yes.
see. Give me a name.
Type
Farooq.
for
Farooq. Let's check Farooq. Farooq is a good friend of us.
oh
Farooq is available, but this Farooq is, I think, a way of is the Turkish Farooq. If we do this,
oh UK. Yeah. I think it's taken. No.
no, it's not taken. Okay, I'll take it for 20 sui after this show. I'm just kidding.
Gift him. Yeah.
And send it to my friend Farooq. Okay, let's keep going. It's an NS is again a nice
It's a decentralized naming block system.
decentralized naming project.
Yeah.
And I think just like ETH has, this is SUI. Again, if you think about SUI, we are so early. Let's check the NS's market cap. It's only 59 million. And look at the chart.
Yes, people who miss Sui and they want exposure to Sui ecosystem, I think this is a good project.
Yes. As you see, it's only 59 million dollars. You can buy it in Bybit and Mexi, and so many exchanges has listed this. They have listed this on their market. So this is a really good project, and it's early. This can go. Look at this wick.
Yeah, this is how we look, I think. Like it's a leverage bet on Sui. And imagine Sui is at 9 billion now, and Sui goes
Yeah.
to 100 billion. This can go to easy 1 billion.
And I think it's gonna visit the prior, like when it launched. Look at it, went to $200 million.
Yeah, that
So
that
it
wick will
generally
be
feels
taken.
that big.
Yeah, they will fill the wick. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then if you do a flip,
that's your TP zone, I think.
yeah, you take your initial investment out, maybe some also extra, and you can ride the rest. Look, it's 0618 is 130. This is an easy target, golden pocket. 134. It's like 100% from here already. So yeah, this is a good project. And another one is Scallop. What is Scallop? This is the money market, just like Uniswap, right? Israel?
Yes, it's a very tiny market cap. Uh, very very early, I would say. It's a
Yeah,
leading money market on Sui, and
perfect.
like it has a lot of followers. Like people are looking at it.
Industry leading model. How Scallop Land works with the oracles. See, Solana's pit even is in here. So they have
Sui has a lot of things going on. It's
yeah, landing pool. See how this the whole thing works. So these are not scams. These are actual projects that is right now working. Look in the media, Cointelegraph, Yahoo Finance talked about it. So these are all other, you know, labs they have. Perfect. Yeah, this looks legit. And let's double check on uh, on the pricing. Yeah, we just left POC. This one is even lower. It's only $32 million market cap. I mean,
yes,
so early phase. Look, just left the POC. The most accumulation zone was done here. So most of the whales are done with their
yes.
basically,
Smart money already accumulated long back.
yes, yes. Smart money, whales, market makers, they filled their bags in this red line, the whole like this big volume, because they put lots of money in it. That's why we get a big wick on the volume side. That's why it's called point of control. The money controls the volume, and also they let it go afterwards, and the price goes for a new discovery. So this is an easy, good investment, easy returns. We are really bullish on this one as well. Underneath SUI. And there's one more. This is another liquidity. Which liquidity did we talk about prior? I think Portal, right? Portal was liquidity.
For Sui?
No. Like another liquidity we talked about
Yes, Portal,
recently.
yeah.
Yeah, it was Portal. Yeah. So this is the backbone of Sui DeFi liquidity. These are bold words. If someone is in a Sui ecosystem and tells you like manifestos like this is bold. The backbone of Sui DeFi liquidity. So yes, let's see. This provides liquidity for this Sui system.
Yeah, it's a trading protocol.
Yeah. Deep. Let's double check how the deep chart is. This one slightly higher market cap. You can tell from its bold manifesto, the backbone of Sui. Couple days ago, I think we mentioned about this while we were talking about Sui, and it was in this region. Let's see how much actually was the move from this area.
Yeah, you can take it like Uniswap, like look when it started and where it is now.
Yeah.
Uniswap,
Well,
I think it's in multi-billions now, right?
157 to 220. Wow. Almost 70%, 80%. So that was a good move. But we are going for a price discovery, as you see, a big W, and these are value area highs, and these candles are very bullish. So most likely we're gonna go for a price discovery soon. This is early, but you can be late. Be careful. Again, this is not a financial advice. These all are educational purposes. Deep book looks great. Let's see. Let's go. We have just a couple more. Layer one project Kaspa. Can you tell us about Kaspa, Isro?
So Kaspa is also similar to Bitcoin. They say it's Kaspa is a proof of work. So they get Kaspa by mining, just similar to Bitcoin.
Yeah, perfect. See, Kaspa is layer one and it's very early. Uh, Again, it is just like Israel said, it looks so much like Bitcoin. And that's why,
There is rumors also that Satoshi created Kaspa.
see, it's so good, the protocol. They say Satoshi Nakamoto created this. So of course that's just a rumor, but it's identical to Bitcoin. It's not like a fork though, right? It is a type of like similarities, but even advanced one, right, Israel? What do you?
Yes. If you miss Bitcoin, you shouldn't miss Kaspa.
Yes, I mean this. We just left value area high. Let's check weekly. Yeah, this was great buy at this bit with this big
That
candle.
9-10 cents was like a
Yeah.
generational entry, I think.
Yeah. Look how one candle See, I mean, to avoid the noise again, this is I wish someone gave me this advice 10, 15 years ago. I've been actually trading since 2013. Uh, not crypto, but also like stocks, options, and other stuff. But again, this is like very important information, guys. If there is a high time frame candle confirming that it's bullish, it will going to have a nice momentum going up. You never FOMO in, like with a fear of loss. Oh, the train is leaving. No, if you see that's all your signal, you can still have a nice. You can scale in, what we call it, scale in. If you see a big candle, if you still have a fear of loss, you can just get 1/10 of an entry,
Yes,
maybe.
that's what smart
Yeah.
traders do. I think they
Yeah.
split their investment in like 20%, 30%, 40%, and they buy in confirmation and on retracement.
Yes, exactly. Look, the reason I'm telling it is on the I really like this money flow and momentum on the weekly because there's not much noise. Look, on the weekly when we get that red right here, it kept going down, but the money flow came in green, so it wasn't uh, it wasn't that aggressive like sometimes it goes really lower areas. And when the VWAP came up here, it was curving up. Even you can tell from the curving up in this moment when this candle was getting created. After this candle, look how many candles it engulfs. Engulfing means like this candle is inside here. This candle inside. This candle, the whole thing is inside. This bodily inside. So that was a momentum that was telling us that it's going to go up. So even you bought here 1/10. Oh, it's coming down. They generally take half of this candle, the liquidity. They did, look, and then send a wick back up. So you bought here and in the half, 1/10 again. And then when you see a week like this, you buy the whole thing again because now the momentum comes in. See this weekly inside hammer, inverse hammer. I always say inverse hammers like this in the green body, it is very bullish. So it kept going now. We are keep and after here, we are going to have price discovery soon. We are going to talk about more about the tokenomics of this. This is a really good project. We definitely recommend Kaspa because again, as Israel said, this one has really good tokenomics. Look at this. Market cap, $4.6 billion.
Yeah, basically it's Bitcoin but faster, more
Same.
scalable.
So
Yeah.
there's nothing, yeah, there's nothing else they can print, right?
No, it's all on circulation. That's the best.
Yeah, yeah. So the volume is there, maximum supply is there, and that's great.
Yeah,
Like
volume is amazing, like
we like
246.
Solana, but Solana is a VC
Yeah,
project as
Solana
well.
is a VC coin, and the reason Kaspa isn't listed on Binance and major exchanges like Coinbase is because there's no VC, and the you cannot buy Kaspa like on a deal. You need to buy on open market.
Yes, exactly. Look, for instance, Solana, it's we like Solana because of their they being such a number one of the number one meme coin DeFi projects are in there. It's cheap also for inexpensive to process all this, buy and sell. Market cap is now $112 billion. Fully dilation is 139. So there's that big of a difference.
Yeah,
Can you
the
see?
VCs are still holding coins.
Yeah, and the VCs are still holding. Another thing is You do the market cap or max. Last bull run, look, the market cap was $75 billion. Now the market cap is $120 billion. So it actually last bull market top, we almost do 2x, but the price is still $236. So this is tricky. This is very tricky.
This means the returns are diminishing.
Yes, returns are diminishing. Also, what it is like we are already 2x. The price should have been, when you think about the previous cycle, already $500, but it's $236. So again, last bull top, the market cap was 75 billion. Someone got rich, 125 billion. It's like the inflation, you know. So this Solana coin is an inflation of from the last bull market 100%,
Yes.
right?
So
So
comparatively, like Kaspa is better. Like for me, I hold more Kaspa than Solana because I
Israel,
think
I think Turkish inflation is better than Solana's inflation then. So yeah, let's go. Perfect. Yeah, I mean, we like Solana. Again, I hold Solana. I made like I'm actually accumulated, sold, buy, and So the Solana is really good project, but be careful. It's very tricky when it comes to pricing, market caps. We are here to tell you all the truth. Like it, right, Israel?
yes, I think you should be careful at this point to go all in on Solana. It's still a
Yes.
good project. You will still get some upside, but you need to be
Okay.
careful.
Okay, then let's while we are talking about Solana, everybody was talking, oh, Ethereum is a bad, it's so old, dinosaur coin, Ethereum this, Ethereum that. Okay, let's check at the tokenomics. Let's have a look at the tokenomics. Okay. Market cap, $481 billion. This is the queen. After Bitcoin, the king, Ethereum is the queen.
This,
So
yeah.
fully dilated valuation, just like Kaspa. Is there anything less or is there anything up, like more? Israel, what do you think?
No, it's all under
It's
circulation, and
all like
there will be a
crystal clear.
supply. There will be a supply
Yeah,
shock.
there is no inflation.
No.
So, and there's deflation actually on this because they keep burning Ethereum, right?
Yes.
So circulating supply is good. And let's check our market cap compared to Solana. Let's do max. Oh, look at this.
What
Market
does
cap,
what does this
all-time high.
suggest? What
Yep.
does this suggest is with time, this it will go keep increasing, and it will maintain its market cap with its FDV and token circulation, like which is already all out. So there is very less risk of this going to like what Solana did, like from 200 to $10. So
Yeah.
if you think Ethereum is going to $500, that is never happening.
Yes. And the
Yeah.
market cap of this one was $550 billion. Now, market cap at this top right now is only 460 or 80,000 billion dollars. So again, we did not hit the top yet. So this one is doing a nice cup and handle on the long run. And I think this one can outperform Solana when it roars. It's going to go like parabolic. Still, they say, oh, Ethereum is dead.
Yes, and also everyone should know that altcoin usually doesn't start unless Ethereum doesn't run.
Yes, yes. So this one is going to probably still hit the all-time highs and beyond, and altcoins are gonna even go further, right, Israel?
Yes, and why? If you see last 6 months, why altcoins were like going down and not doing much was because of Ethereum. Because you know how the money flow works. It goes from Bitcoin to Ethereum and then to the mid caps, large caps, mid caps. So until Ethereum doesn't perform well, the alts will still underperform.
Correct,
Yeah,
exactly.
including Solana.
Yep, yep.
If you see,
We have
Solana was stalled for last few weeks, but Ethereum was outperforming Solana.
yes. Let's while you mentioned that, let's look at the Solana Ethereum on the weekly. Look, we had a evening star on a resistance. This is gonna keep going down. It seems like with this pace. Look, this bearish momentum. We call it three black crawls. Like, and then it can even break this and go lower. So Solana, Ethereum, when you compare, this is a very bearish momentum for Solana, but against Ethereum price, not against USD dollars. So when I say it's bearish, it doesn't mean it's gonna go
No,
lower
it's
on the
nothing
USD.
bad for Solana. It's just meaning of this chart is like Ethereum is performing better.
Yes, exactly.
Solana is
Yes.
doing well. It's not doing bad, but Ethereum is doing better.
Yeah. Same thing with Ethereum, Bitcoin. When you check it, this is even looks better. Look, morning star. Look how Solana was as a evening star. This big candle and indecision doji candle, another big green Mariposa type of candle. These three combination is called morning star, and this is the one of the most bullish candle pattern we can tell you. And we just had a green dot just on this, so most likely we'll get back into this channel even beyond. Yep. So
It will be fast
this
from
suggests,
here.
and so many good traders that I know, they switched their some of their Bitcoin at least to Ethereum now, because the TA also suggests that. Look, from this area we just get deviated, look all that liquidity. So we just get that deviation, and if we can break this trend line here, I think it's gonna keep going up. Scaling out would be around this top or even more. I think because of ETH's DeFi and meme coins and other still projects are coming up, it's still a good bet. If you're a conservative player, like you don't want to bet on high volatility meme coins, altcoins, or others, Ethereum is still a good project. I still recommend it. Uh,
Yes. Do you will you be shocked if you see Ethereum next year around 20 to 30,000 dollars?
Look at me.
See, there's an online alert. Let's see what's going on.
Zeus.
Zeus is giving us an alarm. What's all this alarm for, sir? For our candle just tagged. So it's probably coming back above this. That's why it's deviating back above. It's giving us a buy signal. Yep. So, yep. This is a nice falling wedge. Perfect. Zeus is a good project too. It seems like it's going to go for the next tier Bollinger Band. Yes, sir. And for the portfolio, one more. Let's talk about again. We talked about this before, but before the price discovery, I think
Aviv?
Brett,
Oh, the Brett
Brett,
base on base.
yeah, on base.
Pepe's
It's a,
best friend.
it's a meme coin. Again, when we talked about it, it was around this
Look at me.
handle
Look at
area. Let me
Look at me.
let me
Zeus
stop
moving.
this. Perfect. So on Brett, on base, this is a good project again. It seems like we are going to get new all-time highs again. and our target is in the near future under 30%, because Mog already ran, Pepe is running right now, VIF is running. We'll talk about more because we didn't talk about like Bonk, VIF, and other projects that are also in the most of the exchanges. So we'll talk more about those. Like Pepe, the beginning of this weekend, we called it perfectly. We thought that it was going to run. We are going to probably exit this area. So it did actually. So that was another nice call on Friday. All right, Isrul. We did a nice portfolio arrangement. We can talk more about more altcoins and BTC next tomorrow, Monday. Let's see what the new week is going to bring us.
Yes, we will know tomorrow when after I think mostly after US Open, what
Yes.
is the market about to do.
Another thing before we go, Bitcoin CME gap was at 102,575. So in this region. So we closed on Friday with the markets, Chicago, with this price here. So now we are ranging around 100K. We are in this region. So most of the times we go tag CME gaps. So Monday or today, when the market Asia opens and the markets open and the Nasdaq opens, New York and Chicago, most likely we are going to first take 102K, and we'll take it from there. So alts are probably going to run accordingly. They already started, I think. They did a pullback today, Sunday liquidity grab. They did. Now they are taking us back. Look at this liquidity up here. It has not done yet, it seems like. So same thing with Solana. Solana would like to take this liquidity here, and it's curving up on the daily. Yep. This is for it for now, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe, like, tell your friends. We are here, and we promise you we are going to bring you better content. And see you tomorrow. Isro, it's
All right, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you, Mehmet.
thank you, Isro. Bye bye.
Bye.